Good job. Now what piece?
2.
Does the horse need its head now?
No head.
Okay.
Hey, Tito White Heels.
Is that the spotted horse?
Yeah.
No, the spotted horse is here.
Oh.
I don't know if it goes there, but there's a good chance. It goes very close to there. You got it. Yay.
Hey, White Heel.
Good job.
Do I eat? To who?
Now which piece?
The with cheesy balls. Little White Heels.
Is the white horse there?
Yeah.
Isn't it the brown spotty horse?
No. No.
Oh, okay.
He has his blue eyes.
Oh.
White Heel.
Oh.
White Heels.
I think you're close.
White Heels.
It does belong to that horse, but I don't think that's where his head goes. Look at the horsey's head, how it goes way up the neck. So where's the horsey's neck? The horsey's neck goes up here.
White Heel.
Yeah, up there. It'd be helpful when you're more familiar with the anatomy of horses.
Gee, I guess.
Good job.